Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says which among the following does not occur in a dioecious flowering plant? Option A, autogamy. Option B, geitonogamy. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So let us understand the question. The question says which among the following does not occur in a dioecious flowering plant? So first of all, what do you understand by dioecious flowering plant? So dioecious flowering plant, these are the plants where they can either they have male flowers or female flowers. So they may have male flowers or female flowers. Okay. So that means what these are unisexual flowers. Unisexual plants, you can say unisexual plants. Why? Because they can have either male flowers or female flowers. So in such case, the plant will be considered as a male plant or a female plant, okay, based on the type of flowers they have, male plant or the female plant, okay, a female plant. Now, in this case, what kind of pollination can occur? There are two types of pollination, right? So if you talk about pollination, that is transfer of pollen grains from the anther onto the stigma, that is what is pollination. There are two types. That is autogamy, or you can say self-pollination and cross-pollination. Okay, so there are two types, that is self-pollination and cross-pollination. And cross. So self-pollination happens where the flower or the plant contain both male and female sex organ. So this happens in case of bisexual plants, whereas cross-pollination happens mainly in the, it can happen even bisexual or unisexual plant. Okay, this can happen in bisexual plant, bisexual, as well as unisexual. Okay, why in bisexual? Because in some cases you have bisexual flowers, but still they are not capable of undergoing self-pollination because of something called as outbreeding devices. Okay, there is a certain mechanism there are which can prevent self-fertilization in these bisexual flowers. But still, in that case, cross-pollination occurs. Okay, so self and cross-pollination are the usually two types of pollination which occur. Now, as I told you, self-pollination happens in bisexual plants, whereas cross-pollination can happen in bisexual as well as unisexual plants. Now, this dioecious flowering plant, these are the plants, as I told you, they are unisexual. They either contain male or female. So there is no choice of self-fertilization. So they have to depend on cross-pollination and they have to depend on the pollinating agent. So that can be done only by cross-pollination, which is called as a xenogamy. So cross-pollination is also called as xenogamy. Okay, so this is the only type of pollination which can occur in case of dioecious flowering plant. So let us understand. So option A says autogamy. Autogamy, yes, it does not occur in dioecious flowering plant because the flower sexes are different. Okay, each plant will have different sex. That is, the male plant will have only male sex part, and female plants will be having only female sex part. Hence, autogamy is not possible. Geitonogamy is a type of self fertilization only, where the flowers are present on the same plant. Okay, where the pollen grains from one flower gets transported onto the stigma of another flower of the same plant. That is what is called as geitonogamy. Okay, but here the plant itself is having only one sex flower. That means either female or male. So here it is not geitonogamy. So it is ruled out. Option A says both A and B. So both A and B, yes, they both do not occur in dioecious plant. So our answer should be both autogamy and geitonogamy. So hence we will consider option C, which has both, that is A and B does not occur in dioecious plant. Okay. So let us move on to the next topic. It says none of the above, which is ruled out because we have an answer. That is both A and B do not occur in dioecious flowering plant. So let us conclude here. What is the answer? The answer is option C. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.